Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to restore WhatsApp backup in Android. So all you have to do is simply open your WhatsApp application and then here you have to go to chats, click the three dots at the top right corner, scroll down and tap settings. Here you have to scroll down again and look for the option that says chats. So tap chats here and then under chats, you have to scroll down and look for chat backup. Then what you want to do here is to link your Google account. Make sure that Google account or Google Drive has this huge storage or space for starting or saving files such as images, videos, and messages. So once you have linked or connected your Google account, specifically your Google Drive here on your WhatsApp, what you want to do next is to scroll down and you have to toggle on this include videos. Also, you can turn on this backup using cellular. And if you tap this Google account here, make sure that you have selected the correct or right Google account for your WhatsApp. And then once done, you can go back and then click this backup to Google Drive. You can choose either never, only when I tap daily, weekly, and monthly, but I have to choose daily. Okay, and then that's it. Now, Now you can uninstall this application. So what you want to do is to simply long press this WhatsApp application and then click uninstall. Now once you have uninstalled this application, look for your Google Play Store if you're using Android, of course. Go to the search bar and then search for WhatsApp. If you haven't installed the WhatsApp application, you will see an install button here. All you have to do is to tap that one and then start entering some information like your phone number or your email address, your password. Tap backup to restore all the messages from your WhatsApp account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.